In today's video, I'm going to show you a powerful free method that you can use to get real referrals without spending a single dollar. If you've been struggling to find active referrals, this step-by-step guide is exactly what you need. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll be able to grow your earnings much faster. Hi friends, I hope you're all doing great. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on my latest methods to earn free crypto and grow your income online. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash the like button and share it with your friends. Let's dive in. First, use the link I've shared in the comment section of this video and in my Telegram channel to join this bot. Then click on Start. In this part, choose the language you want and then solve the given CAPTCHA to enter the bot. In this bot, you can earn coins by joining Telegram channels and groups, as well as by completing other simple tasks. Later, you can use these coins to get members for your own channel or group, or to get referrals for different bots. To receive coins, click on Earnings. As you can see, this bot has a lot of tasks that you can complete to earn almost 2 million coins. By clicking on Subscribe to the channel, you can earn coins by joining Telegram channels. To do this, click on Subscribe, and after joining the requested channel, return to the bot and then click on Check to receive your reward. In the same way, you can join other channels to earn even more rewards. By clicking on Join Group, you can earn coins by joining Telegram groups. For this, click on Subscribe, and after joining the requested group, return to the bot and then click on Check to receive your reward. Similarly, you can join more groups to earn more coins. By clicking on View Posts, you can earn coins by viewing Telegram posts. To do this, click on View Post, then a post will be forwarded to you in the bot. After viewing this post for about 2 to 3 seconds, your reward will automatically be added to your account. In the same way, you can view more posts to earn more rewards. By clicking on Go to the bot, you can earn coins by starting bots. There are 3 types of bots: simple bots like this one, bots with web apps, and bots with additional conditions. By clicking on Ordinary bots, you can earn coins by starting bots by selecting one of the bots, then clicking on Go to the bot. After you start the bot, take a screenshot, then go back into the main bot and send that screenshot to it so your membership can be verified, which may take up to 24 hours. Once your membership is confirmed, your reward will be added to your account. From the Bots with Web App section, you can earn coins in the same way. By clicking on With Additional Conditions, you can earn coins by starting bots that have special conditions. For this, click on Go to the bot, and then in the Conditions section, read what is required. Once you have completed the conditions, send a screenshot to the bot to receive your reward. If the instructions are written in another language, you can translate them. By clicking on Reaction, you can earn coins by reacting to Telegram posts. This section is divided into 2 categories: random reactions, where you can use any emoji you like, and fixed reactions, where you can only use the emojis chosen by the channel itself. The process for both is the same. Choose one of the posts, click on View Post, then react with the required emoji. After that, take a screenshot, return to the bot, and send that screenshot for verification. Once it's verified, your reward will be added to your account. From the Premium Boost section, you can earn coins by boosting Telegram channels and groups. This section is only available for users who have Telegram Premium. From the Rules section, you can also read the rules of this bot. Keep in mind that if you leave the channels or groups you joined within 7 days, your coins will be taken back. By clicking on Check, if you have launched your own advertising campaign, you can see the people who have completed your tasks and confirm them so they can receive their rewards. From the Subscription Check section, you can add the bot as an admin in your channel or group so that when people join your channel or group, the bot can recognize them and give them their rewards. You can read these instructions yourself and see how you can do it. From the Useful Links section, you can access links to the privacy policy, support, and the news channel of this bot. From the Instructions section, you can read the usage guide of this bot. From the Statistics section, you can view the statistics of this bot. From the My Cabinet section, you can check your own profile. From the Replenish Balance section, you can top up your balance using stars, but I recommend using the bot for free. From the Referral System section, you can copy your referral link and share it with your friends. If your friend has Telegram Premium, you will receive 8,000 coins. If they are a regular user, you will receive 5,000 coins. And if your referral completes a task in the bot, you will get 3,000 coins plus a 3% commission from them. From the Level System section, you can check your level in the bot. By completing tasks and inviting your friends, you can upgrade your level. By clicking on Level System Info, you can see the benefits of each level. From the My Tasks section, if you have launched your own advertising campaign in the bot, you can manage it from here. From the Change Language section, you can change the bot's language. And from the Disable Notifications section, you can enable or disable the bot's notifications. To create your own advertising campaign, click on Promote. In this section, choose your preferred platform, and then click on Continue. In this part, select the type of your bot. If your bot only requires a start, click on Only Start the Bot. And if it has special conditions, click on With Additional Conditions. In this section, write the instructions you want, what the user should do in order to receive their reward and also be counted as your referral in the bot you are promoting. Next, enter the number of coins you want to pay for each bot start. The minimum is 4,000 coins, and the maximum is 100,000 coins. The more coins you pay, the higher your bot will appear in the list, and your task will be completed faster. In this section, enter the number of starts you want, meaning how many people should start your bot. In the next section, choose your payment method, either by paying with your bot coin balance or with stars. In the following section, click on Select a Bot, and then choose the bot you want to promote. Next, click on Add Referral Link, and then enter your bot's referral link to create your advertising campaign. I recommend using the bot I introduced in this video. You can see the link at the top right corner of the video. Copy your referral link there and get referrals for yourself. For each referral, you'll receive 1 cent, which you can use to buy Telegram accounts and manage multiple accounts at the same time.
And that's it, guys. Now you know exactly how to create your own advertising campaign and even get real referrals for free. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to drop a like, share it with your friends, and of course, subscribe to the channel with the bell turned on so you never miss my future tutorials. I'll be back very soon with more tips, tricks, and legit earning methods, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.